So here is the safety stocks monitoring system. So today is August 15 and the time is 2 p.m. 2:16 p.m. So as you can see, we have stock in, we have stock out, we have locating parts, parts registration, we have transaction, and we have cumulative stocks. I'm adding the admin for maintenance of the system. So now, you will see here in our parts registration all the parts that we have to make our product. So for example, we have BKT F151100, which is the fender. Model is BKT. Color is matte dark gray with the color code of P080. The FSS quantity is 160 and the suggested location of the parts is A2 and with a price of unit price of 20. So we will be using this part number as an example in here in our demonstration. So another part number that we're going to use is this one, the cover front, which is BKT F286500. Also model of BKT, same color, and same FSS quantity, which is 160, and the location is A3-001. The unit price is 30. So these two are our part numbers for this demonstration, the fender and the cover front. So now I made this safety stocks monitoring system with no datas inside, just the parts registration. So we will see now if we have existing parts, which is we will try this fender. So here in locating parts, you will see all the existing parts that we have. So as you can see now, found data, it means that we don't have an existing fender. And another part number, which is the cover front. And again, no found data. It means we don't have existing cover front. So now, since we don't have an existing parts, we will now stock in these two. So you will just click stock in and paste the part number. After pasting, you will see the information of the parts. Fender BKT, matte dark gray, and the FSS quantity is 160 pieces. So the location is A2. We have to remember the location. We will be stocking 160 pieces to A2. So I will just add the requester name because it won't proceed if we do not input our requester. So just add stocks, successfully save. And now we will see if we already have fenders. As you can see, we have already stuck in 160 pieces in A2. So what if we stuck in again fender but in different location? So just copy paste again and same quantity 160 but of different location, which is A1-1. So after adding this, we will now have 120 pieces fenders, but with different locations. Successfully saved. So now we will locate our parts. Now you can see that we have two locations, A2 and A1 for fenders, with 160 quantity in each location. So what if again we stuck in fender, but this time we will be using A2 location again. So let's stuck in again fenders, 160 in same location, which is A2. So after this stacking in, we will now have a total of 480 pieces of fenders. So let's see if we already have 480. So you can see we have 320 in A2 and 160 in A1, a total of 480 pieces of fenders. So now after adding stacking in, of course we want to see our transaction history. So we will just select part number and paste the part number and then filter. And you will see here that we stuck in 3 times, but same part number, but with different locations. So total of 480 again. So now we will try to stuck in another part number, which is the cover front. So this is cover front, BKT, same color, and quantity. So we will be stacking in location A3-001. So we'll just add again the requestor, and we will now locate those 160 pieces of cover front. Yan. Again, it has been recorded that we have 160 pieces in location A3. And now we will see our transaction history again. I'm sorry, I have to do it or filter it by date. So today is August 15, 2022. Yeah, you will see our 4 transactions, 3 fenders, and 1 cover front. So after stacking in, we are going to stack out fenders. So I'll just paste the part number, and it is said that please select the parts you want to stack out on the list below. So it means that the list below are the available stocks that we have for fenders. So as you can see, 320 again in A2 and 160 in A1. We will be stacking in 160 pieces. Let's say in A2 we will stack out. Sorry, not stack in. So if I click out stocks, then we will see if this quantity will be decreased. So I'll just copy the part number. Successfully done. Now we will locate. Yeah. Now we already have stuck out 160 pieces from location A2. So now it's 160 pieces. And we will try to use all the existing quantities that we have in A2. So I'm sorry, stock out again 160 pieces from A2. So let's see if it will be depleted. So successfully done. Locate parts and paste the part number and then filter it. So now the only stocks that we have is 160 pieces from location A1 because we already used all the stocks available from A2. So now we already have 6 transactions today. So 4 stuck in and 2 stuck out. So we will see all the transactions. We will filter by date. Yeah, as you can see, we have a total of 6 transactions, 4 in and 2 out. So it's very helpful for our engineers and supervisors to locate and to know our available stocks. So now we will go to cumulative stocks. In cumulative stocks, you will see all the ending on hand and all the in and out for today. So we will try to look for Defender. So here are all the parts. Just double click it and you will see BOH, in, out, and EOH. So a while ago we stuck in 480 pieces and we stuck out 320 pieces. So it is now 320 because we have a beginning on hand of 160. So if you want to know the price, so just click calculate price. So now you can easily know our existing parts and report it easily. So this is for fender, and what about for cover front? So here is the cover front. You can double click the list or just search for the part number. Just click search and calculate price. So it is very significant to the user and also to the reporting of our safety stocks. So here is the safety stocks monitoring system. Thank you.